Hey, welcome to yet another episode of Awesome Life with Awesome Vibes. And today's topic is exploration of your real beauty, your true self. Today, we are going to dive deep into the topic that so many of us can relate to, the journey of rediscovering who we truly are beyond the mask we wear for the world. Do you ever find yourself seeking approval from others without realizing how it affects your sense of self? It's more common than you think. This constant quest for validation can sometimes pull us away from our true selves, creating a gap between who we are and who we pretend to be. Let's talk about rejection first. It's a powerful fear, isn't it? Often it pushes us to hide the parts of ourselves that we think others might not accept. In effort to fit in, we sometimes end up sacrificing our authenticity. We forget who we truly are. It's a tricky balance trying to blend in while staying true to ourselves, right? And then there is self criticism. How many of us have fallen into this trap? We become our own worst critics, trying to shield ourselves from the judgment of others. But in doing so, we distance ourselves from our true beauty, the essence of who we are. So, how do we break free from this cycle? How do we rediscover our true selves? It starts with a journey of self acceptance and self love. It's about looking beyond the image we project and really exploring what's inside. When we embrace our flaws and imperfections with kindness and compassion, we reconnect with our authenticity. We begin to see the unique beauty that resides within. Let's start with some reflection. Here are a few steps you can take to start the journey of self discovery. 1. Embrace all of you. Remember, the way you treat yourself sets the tone for how others treat you. Don't shrink or hide parts of you just to win approval. True love, whether from yourself or others, embraces every part of you. Appreciate your uniqueness every day for the next month. Acknowledge 3 unique qualities about yourself. By the end of the month, you'll have recognized 90 beautiful aspects of who you are. It's a powerful way to reconnect with your inner beauty. 3. Challenge the narrative. Take a moment to question the beliefs you hold about your beauty, both inner and outer. Are they based on truth? Are they shaped by the opinions of others? Start celebrating yourself for who you really are beyond just appearances. To wrap up, I want to share some radical statements that you can use on this journey. Repeat this statement 7 to 21 times and notice the shift within yourself. Here we go. With soul's love, I purify my need for approval. With soul's love, I purify my need for approval. With soul's love, I purify my need for approval. With soul's love, I simplify self-approval. With soul's love, I simplify self-approval. With soul's love, I simplify self-approval. With soul's love, I magnify 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 self-approval. With soul's love, I purify my fear of rejection. With soul's love, I purify my fear of rejection. With soul's love, I purify my fear of rejection. With soul's love, I simplify self-appreciation. With soul's love, I simplify self-appreciation. With soul's love, I simplify self-appreciation. With soul's love, I magnify my self-love. With soul's love, I magnify my self-love. With soul's love, I magnify my soul's love. With soul's love, I purify my false portrayal. With soul's love, I purify my false portrayal. With soul's love, I purify my false portrayal. With soul's love, I simplify my authenticity. With soul's love, I simplify my authenticity. With soul's love, I simplify my authenticity. With soul's love, I magnify my inner beauty. With soul's love, I magnify my inner beauty. With soul's love, I magnify my inner beauty. This episode is a part of the 9 Shades of the Divine Feminine series. So make sure to explore the entire collection to gain more insights on embracing your authentic self and stepping into the power that you already have. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the beauty that is your true self. This is Aatmn Parmar, introducing you to an awesome life with awesome vibes. Keep reciting and stay tuned with awesome vibes, and bless you with awesome life.